Yan to akase bonus way. Yendo bibia aseni asanso mo bibia kwa baso konfambre yen kasa TV eso. And any day di kan wo hwe enkasa TV oba subscribe. Like na asanso share mema refi so we odoma no so. Ye de bitu bia na so nya bi atwenya bi ati. Kase bone musim no munchire mu ana aba ebeto etwai amede ba besimwe. Na ye mo hwe ni ye de kwaye the new patriotic party. Eya oso no kokoro kwa manyoko MPP no emu. Na papa bi awo ma ye friend eye chairman wontimi andi akasa eye nana antwibo si akon ye gold takuma na afuma gudi takum kase pa wa Ghana mem hanom na yewura aye friend Kennedy akompra ko hine Japan ono na ye former eye assistant trampesua no eso enra se betwani ene wasere chairman wotimi ye pa nya asemketo a ifisa wo kire mu wasena chairman wotimi ti Ghana ha ano ye no ho se obi antimi nya mehwe obi antimi nya mehwe ene de obi atimi aye ne hwe ye asembra ne yokotie nsem mu akire mu
so we hunu school so mfa so hwebra wo bre ye nyina no wonse obi a wa amre saa no enam ni school a wa konti wanya appointment nessa ka dwetire wei enne nka na wo pa ada no ameka kire ya TikTok for ne anyiji ska ma wo no amfa ankodi ankoton wadwene address to seller Kobi seller address to adwene seller address to mamane seller enu na wo pe wo yi film yi nyina ne wo ya yi nyina no wo acti ye nyina wo anya sika bia nto wo ho na nka would beti media bo ho dwetire ko didwa enkipu ho bize no say ye here for interview is a Felix bra number friend biom and some na wo busa no ni school no kan ta friend ne ma wo hon enu o maduane tantanta ye nyanya update say was akọ school mu ho sanso obi na man information nipa akọrọ information no famre interview biom ni yenhwe 9 months ni se obedi di peche na ba aya adwuma because onu na di obedi di peche ne ba aya na Ghana fo so mu enti Ghana youth ni say no nti obedi di peche enti because aduane ho hia enu nti na omoto abama ubedi di peche no enti andi isifo ne mu bedi di peche ya si Christian e mun kan chere so nsan ko interview na ye youth fo e wa Ghana ye hia no question bisa ye hunu ubedi di peche no maami asi school hu hia unsa wo bra ye no wo mu akọ school no ene ya di appointment ministers dia wo ye kura de ne ka wo se CEO Christian e woni na wo se CEO enya wo adwene sala na na wo se ye bo dwetire ne yadim ti dwetire kakra wo yi adwene dwetire enti na wo nam na wo bere twatro di atro to president so wo ka de anim nyina to president so no mesi awia na ebo so abo apata de asi wo so wo wuti apata no so pa so awia bebo wotro wo twa ye lies ya bekeka kire Ghana fo youth ma wo mani ba hu sese when ye bedi di peche dia ye follow wo bedi di peche no mesi wuti apata asin so awia be hyew wo Madam actress to Kobi seller when yesika entimi anya bibia dwetire we na na ape
not like that, so don't make yourself like that. Don't make yourself like that. Now, we went into an election. Nanado, Nyame. We went into an election. For the first time, we were trying to do something extraordinary. It didn't happen. And the contributing factors, can be attributed to another candidate here. Which is a fact. They can try to play the dog game that they play, but that is the fact. That is the honest fact. Onumbo said, Obi call election, no, President Kufuor, it took 8 years for him to erase some amount of deficit. It means your non-logics, no. How many months do we, or how many years do we think it will take for Bawumia to conquer 1.7 million or whatsoever? Right then, I'm saying, Charlie, Mama, you serious. Utie, mama is serious. Now politicians normal fine for too much. Now the Ayame say they say this with huge confidence. I don't know who their advisors are. I don't know whether they read into what they give them to read. Just that you don't even know where they get that from. But Mahama how many votes? 6 million. Say 6 million. In Tianfani said the deficit was 1.7. Mepacho Dr. Baumenya then 4.2 million. In Tifa 1.7 million can 4.2 million. Who bet me win election? Please, mama yan temnianko. Social media yeah, the use. Maybe some question no. Yeah, Papa Kennedy Japan, and then Yawakoya Amanabe trending. Or say Mr. X, find the X no. I think the message should be Ken should find his own self. We need to calculate the formula for him. For Ken to find his own self. Or say no, you're a philanthropist. At the end of the man said the Bay support to me. At the one support to me, the end of the other man and Fabre me and ask me to do anymore. So maybe we should help him to find himself. Lady Champo Michel. No, seriously, Jay. I just for me here. Me personally, I don't think we need to find X. We need to help Honorable Kennedy Japan find himself because he has to find himself. As he speaks, he doesn't have himself. He belongs to the Dankwadumbu tradition, yet he wants to do better than Nkrumah. He idolizes Nkrumah as Ononei, but yet Nkrumah has a party that is implementing the policies of Nkrumah and the ways of Nkrumah, but he doesn't want to join that. Nenye beyi na abura opeso wo party akwesi prati obi a wona ne kwakoye interview. Senye nsem keke na opeso wo keka na wo ton wo party dem ma wo tamfo a eye den na akotena wo tamfo anim koye interview. President Gufo the free maternal care ba e wa anya hwe. School feeding program ba e wa anya hwe. School health insurance scheme ba e wa anya hwe. Ekufo adu free education wa anya hwe. Who you idolize is what is Nkrumah. Yet Nkrumah has a